TOPSFLO is a professional DC brushless water pumps and DC diaphragm pumps manufacturer. Main export to the high-end markets in Europe and America, also the national high-tech enterprise. It has self-built factory, 16,000 square meters, own SMT and plastic injection factory, ESD anti-static control digital workshop, automatic electronic production lines, motor production lines and pump assembly lines. With annual production capacity of more than 3 million pieces, TOPSFLO has been certified by the German Rhine TÜV ISO 9001 and IATF 16949. It strictly controls from R&D, raw material procurement and production process to pursue and realize zero defect quality target. TOPSFLO takes technical innovation as its advantage, has a CNAS standard national laboratory and a team of R&D engineers with over 20 years of industry experience, which can provide customers with efficient and professional solutions or new customized development solutions. Its products have obtained more than 50 national patents. All products have passed CE, RoHS, REACH certification. Some products have obtained FDA, NSF, WRAS certification. TOPSFLO pumps are mainly used in water heaters, home drinking appliances, water heating mattresses, car preheaters, car air conditioners, water cooling systems, beauty, printers and medical equipment, etc. Focusing on the micro-pump field, leading the progress and breakthrough of the micro-pump industry with technological innovation, and becoming a century-old brand is TOPSFLO constant pursuit. TOPSFLO people will lead by the core values of customer first, grateful and altruistic, keep improving, to create outstanding value for customers and continue to work hard to achieve long-term win-win cooperation.